Good afternoon, all of you. Honorable Minister of State, Labor and Employment. It's a very hard time. It's a pandemic time, and everybody is facing such kind of challenges over here in the country. But as we are a direct selling identity, and we know the Atmanirbhar Bharat, if we are talking about, there are huge chances to empower the youth in the country. And we know with the India is a young country, and we have the most, I can say, the most valuable thing in the country is our youth. If we can serve them, like it is very difficult to serve them with employment, and we have to encourage them to get like Atmanirbhar kind of things. We have to motivate them, like we cannot provide them the employment everywhere. So we have to encourage them so that they can start their own ventures, they can become entrepreneurs. And in the same kind of things, we find direct selling is one of the major things. Direct selling can help them to get their own employment. And we are doing that. Here we are taking challenges from some foreign companies, and we are fighting hard to get our stream here. And I know India is trying to all the things on the board. And मैं जहाँ तक लगता है कि इंडियन डायरेक्ट सेलिंग एक ऐसा स्ट्रीम हो सकता है जो यूथ को उनके लिए एक नया रास्ता दे सकता है, उनको एम्प्लॉयमेंट दे सकता है। और पिछले सालों में, पिछले 25 साल में ये इंडस्ट्री उन लोगों को काफी हद तक सपोर्ट करता है, हमारे यूथ को। लेकिन यहाँ पर उसको लेके जो गाइडलाइंस हैं, जो लेबर लॉज हैं, वो कहीं अनक्लियर है। अगर उस इंडस्ट्री को लेके कुछ नॉर्म्स, कुछ रूल्स, रेगुलेशंस पे काम किया जाए तो it can help Indian youth to get employment. Thank you.